uso del subjuntivo con emoción y sentimientos. We're going to be using the subjunctive after verbs and phrases that express feeling and emotion. It can be any type of feeling or emotion. It could be happiness, regret, surprise, fear, anger, and pride. One thing you must remember is that you must have a change in subject, meaning your feeling or emotion must be for something or someone else. For example, I am happy that you are better. Our subject changes from I, who's having the feeling and the emotion, to you, hoping that you are feeling better. If the feeling or the emotion concerns the subject itself, you must use the infinitive. In that case, you would not use the word que. If you notice in the example on the left, me alegro de almorzar contigo. I am happy to have lunch with you. You do not have a change in subject, so you use de plus the infinitive. Remember, the infinitive is the word before it's conjugated. In the example on the right, me alegro de que tú almuerces conmigo, the subject changes. I am happy that you have lunch with me. Therefore, we use the same expression, me alegro de, but we add que, and then we conjugate the verb in the present subjunctive. If you were to look at these four sentences, she is afraid that I am sick. That would be subjunctive, because she's having a feeling or an emotion for me. We are proud to present at the meeting. In this case, we do not have a subject change, so it would be infinitive. They are happy that the service is very good here. In number 3, that can be tricky, because they are having a feeling and emotion for something or someone else. Please remember, the second subject does not need to be a person. In this case, it's the service, so this is still a subjunctive sentence. My parents don't like that I tell lies. Again, my parents are having an emotion about me, so therefore that would be a subjunctive sentence. The next few slides are all expressions that you would use in the first clause, clausula uno, before the que. Remember, we must conjugate these expressions in the present indicative. The verbs that have stars, that say they work like the verb gustar, what that means, remember, is that you're going to only have 2 forms, just as we only have 2 forms with gustar, gusta and gustan. In these 2 examples, remember, we would change the me to agree with the subject. So if it surprises me, it would be me. If it surprises you, it would be te. If it surprises him or her, it would be le. If it surprises us, nos, and if it surprises them, les.